how to use the Stremio app on your iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you need to do is open the App Store and download the VLC player. It's the one with the orange traffic cone icon. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it just to make sure it's installed properly. Next, open up Safari and search for Stremio Web. From the search results, tap on the first link that appears. Now, tap on the share icon at the bottom of Safari, scroll down and select Add to Home screen. Tap Add and the Stremio Web shortcut will now appear on your home screen just like a regular app. Open it, then log in to your Stremio account. Once you're signed in, tap on the settings icon, scroll down to the advanced section and from the default player drop-down, select VLC. Now go back to the home screen of the Stremio web app, choose any movie or show you want to watch, scroll down to the streaming options and choose VLC. It should now start playing smoothly in the VLC player. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use the Stremio app on your iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.